Hello. Let's make the invisible visible in health. Meet Max. For all intents and purposes, Max is a highly active man. He's a member of a running club, he runs on the weekends, and he attends gym 3 times a week. He loves RPM. However, there's something wrong with this picture. Max consumes copious amounts of highly processed food, which is storing up problems for Max in the future. According to the Journal of Public Health, 50 to 60% of food consumed by people in the UK is ultra-processed food. So, do we know what Max's risk is for developing a lifestyle disease? No, we don't, and neither does Max, and this is a problem for Amelia. Amelia is the head of wellness at a large multinational company that offers private healthcare to her employees. Despite appearances, Amelia is not having a great day. And the reason for this is because employees in America are costing Amelia between $3,000 and $15,000 due to the obesity epidemic out there. In the UK, employees are costing her £1,000 per annum. And this is due to a rise in employee absences, a rise in health insurance claims, and a rise in health insurance premiums. Also, across the industry as a whole in the UK, type 2 diabetes is costing enterprises £9 billion per annum. Amelia has a vague understanding of the underlying health and well-being of the employees she's mandated to serve. Because of this, Amelia and her team of wellness executives only offer broad interventions and broad wellness programs. Of course, this leads to a low employee engagement, which currently stands at 5%, the industry average is 25%. Furthermore, Amelia does not possess the tools which will allow her to anticipate problems that may emerge in the horizon. So, is there a solution out there for Amelia? Enter Thier. Thier is the AI-enabled mobile platform for the prevention of obesity and type 2 diabetes. The way in which Thier can help Amelia is by identifying, tracking, monitoring, and predicting the emergence of lifestyle disease within the employee population she's mandated to serve. Other features of Thier includes absences tracking, and essentially what that means is we will track trends in employee absences and trends in health insurance claims. We also will integrate our platform with health insurance claims databases. Other features of our platform includes our dashboard, which essentially is a company-wide employee analytics, which tracks things like employee health, nutrition, sleep, and exercise. We also intend to install all our data on the blockchain. Because we work in a highly regulated industry, we intend to ensure that we comply with relevant government regulations. And because we take the privacy of our users seriously, we intend to build our application using privacy by design principles for our platform, as well as for our machine learning algorithms. So why now? Over 200 health insurance companies have stated that cardiovascular disease, aka lifestyle disease, is the #1 risk factor driving up medical costs. Also, a significant number of consumers have stated that they want personalized preventative health, and machine learning algorithms now can predict in advance the onset of lifestyle diseases. So in terms of our traction, we've been privileged enough to conduct over 200 interviews. 7 of them have been with heads of wellness, incumbent in large multinationals, in the financial services industry, the manufacturing industry, and FMCG. We've also collaborated with students from Queen Mary College in user surveys, General Assembly with regards to UX design research, and Enchain. They have created an MVP for us. In terms of our competitors, they are Vitality Health, Noom, and Lark. And in terms of what our business model is, we intend to charge a subscription of £50 per employee per annum. to enterprises. We also intend to charge a 3% commission on every transaction between employees and healthcare practitioners on our platform, and also between employees and direct-to-consumer brands. So, our team consists of myself. I have 15 years' experience in business development and marketing in the tech space. My colleague, Arjun, he has a background in healthcare. He's been in the healthcare industry for 20-odd years. And I have a team of advisors who offer advice in strategy, marketing, technology, communications, and tech. So our ask is £620,000, which we intend to raise in 3 tranches. The first tranche will be £250,000 at a pre-money valuation of 1.4 million. We plan to use it for salaries, to build our application, and also for business development. So, be healthier, be wealthier, use Thier. Thank you so much for your time.